Hi guys, this is Lox. I'm recording in English. Why recording in English? Okay, I live in Warsaw, Poland, so I should record only in Polish. But I want to be in touch with more people, and one more thing, I want to improve my English. And how to improve something? As far as I know, practice makes the master. This is my daughter Leah. Why I'm recording with her? Because she doesn't want to take a nap and she's full of energy. Today's movie is about what not to say to young parents. But I mean, like, never ever 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 ask them those questions. These are the things that makes me crazy. But when I didn't have a child, I thought these are the good questions to ask new parents. But as far as I know now, they are not, and they piss them off. They piss me off. So that's why I'm recording. I hope if you are a parent you will enjoy my movie. If you are not, I hope you will take my advice. And first of all, never ask why I look so tired. You should nap when she's napping. Why am I not napping? Because my beautiful daughter, she's not napping during the day. So I don't have a chance to nap during the day. That's why I look tired. Second, oh my God, why you look so pale? Why you don't put some makeup on? I'm not putting makeup on because I'm a mother and my child is lately eating everything. It means she will eat also the chemicals from my face. That's why I'm not putting any makeup. And some more nice things to say to young mom. Oh my God, better put some makeup. He will leave you. I mean, like your boyfriend or husband. Really? If he's about to leave me because I'm not wearing makeup, then goodbye. I don't want such a guy. Better yet, run. Run, girl. If your boyfriend or husband is about to leave you because you are not putting makeup, run as fast as you can. Another question. Why are you not calling me? And why are you not answering your phone when I'm calling? I'm not answering your phone because probably I'm feeding my baby, or I'm changing the diapers, or I'm cleaning, or I'm doing the washing, or I'm feeding, or I'm changing the diaper, or changing the diaper, or changing the diaper. That's why. Before I had plenty of time, so I could talk on the phone for hours, but now if I will talk to you for more than 10 minutes, and probably I will, it means the whole routine of the whole day will be destroyed. That's why I'm not answering my phone or not calling that often. Some other tips I don't want to hear. You should sleep with your baby. Your baby needs to be close to mommy. Baby needs to feel loved and feel safe. Never sleep with your baby. She will used to it and you will never have a chance to put her to her own room. One more. This one makes me like literally crazy. The women who are breastfeeding are blah, but I'm breastfeeding. Okay, but why do you have to do it in public? Can't you go to a toilet and feed your baby in the toilet? Like, I can't because I don't want my baby to eat in a toilet. Would you like to eat in a toilet? Simple, isn't it? No one wants to eat in a toilet. And the last one, and this one is a little bit, I would say, even creepy. I should start telling you about the last one with the phrase, a week ago, my friend asked me, like, have you heard about the baby who just died? I think people should have 2 or more babies, because then when one dies, you will have some more. Like, mate, what are you talking about? Never, ever tell such stories to young parents, because they will freak out. If you think it's a joke that losing one child, it's fine when you have 2 because there is still one left, believe me, it's not. But what to say to young parents? So I think the best way is to ask them if they need something. They will tell you, and then just simply do it. Don't ask them those stupid questions. If I look pale, I know it. If I look bad, believe me, I know it too. So thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed it. It's autumn, but I hope it's nice anyway. Ciao!